Welcome to our series of video in factoring polynomials. The goal of this video to continue factoring using distributive property of multiplication. The common factor for this trinomial between 2 and 20 and 48 is 2. 2 is the common factor. And here m square. Because 2 times m square, I get 2m square plus here 10. Because 2 times 10, I get 20m minus 2 times what? You get 48. 2 times 24. I get 24. I divide 48 divided by 2. To factor this trinomial, you factor it to 2 binomials. Because the sign for the last term negative, the two signs here must be different. One is negative, one is positive. Here m, here m. Positive 12 because they are positive 10 here. And the negative 2. When you multiply the two binomials, I get this trinomial back. What is the common factor between negative 5a squared plus 25a? I have to get rid of from the negative, means I take negative, and here is 5 and 5. And you have a squared and a, I take the lowest one, because this means a to the power of 1. Negative 5a times what? You get a squared, means times a. Negative times what? To get positive. Times positive. No, negative times positive, I get negative, but here positive. I have to change this positive to negative. Means negative times the negative to get positive. Times what? You get 25, negative 5. When you multiply negative 5a times 5, I get positive 25a. And this is the answer. What is the common factor here? The common factor between negative 2a squared minus 18, which is negative 2. And here, a squared minus, it's not minus actually, negative times negative, we get positive, but here is negative. The two signs must be different. This must be positive. Positive 9. And this is became a squared plus 3 squared. And this is the sum of 2 squared. You cannot factor this further. I need to factor this one. Negative 3y squared plus 3. I take the negative. I have to get rid of from the negative. I take negative 3 common factor. And here y squared. And the negative times what? You get positive. Negative 3 times what? You get positive 3. I get negative times the negative. And here 1 to get positive 3. Equal under equal. Negative 3 under negative 3. And this became y squared minus, and 1 is perfect square. I can write 1 as a perfect square. Means this is y squared, and 1 means 1 square. This is the difference between two squares. To factor y squared minus 1 square, I factor y minus 1 and y plus 1. Negative 3. Y minus 1, y plus 1. I need to get rid of from the negative here in front of the y square. Means I have to take the negative 1 here, negative 1 common factor. And this one became y squared. Negative times what? You get positive 7. Negative times the negative to get positive 7y. Negative times what? You get negative times positive. positive 6. Negative 1 times y square, you get negative y square. Negative 1 times the negative 7, y, I get positive 7y. Negative 1 times negative 6 times positive 6, I get negative 6. I need to factor this trinomial. The sign here positive means both signs the same. Mean equal under equal. Negative 1 under negative 1. This two binomial. Sign positive means both signs the same. The sign here negative means both negative. Here y, here is y. And this is 6 and 1. When you multiply these two binomials, I get trinomial back. What is the common factor between negative m squared plus 10m plus 24? I take negative 1, also common factor. Here m squared. Negative times what? You get positive. Negative times negative. Times what? You get 10m. 10m. Negative times what? You get positive again. Negative 24. I need to factor this trinomial. Equal under equal. Negative 1 under negative 1. And I factor these two binomials. Here m. This is negative means one negative and one positive. This is negative 10 means the 12 is here and the 2 is here. When I multiply these two binomial, I get this trinomial back. Also, I have to take negative 1 from here as a common factor. Negative 1 common factor. Here m squared. Negative times negative to get positive here. Here 10m. And the negative times what to get negative means here positive now. 24. Negative times positive, I get negative 24. I factor this trinomial. Means the negative 1 here. The two binomials. The sign is positive, means both signs the same. Both negative, because the middle term negative. Here is m, here is m. This 24 means 6 and 4. I take negative 2 common factor here. Negative 2 here common factor. Here m squared. Negative time what to get positive? Negative times negative. Here 10m. Because negative 2 times negative 10, I get positive 20m. Because here positive also means negative times negative, I get positive. And here 24. But if you multiply negative 2 times negative 24, you get positive 48. Equal under equal, negative 2 under negative 2. I factor this to two binomials. Here m, here is m. This negative means one negative here, one positive. Because this negative 10 means negative 12 here, positive 2. This is your homework. Please try those in your own. Please, if you have any question, write it in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.